I am from Roma, Italy.
Is this your first time visiting Indonesia?
No, I come here about 2 years ago.
How long have you been staying here?
I've been here 2 weeks so far, and I plan to stay for 2 days.
What place have you visited so far?
I've mainly been to Bali, Jakarta, and Lombok. We've seen rice fields, temples, and museums.
Which place did you enjoy the most?
I really enjoyed in Nusa Tenggara Timur, in because of its beautiful, friendly atmosphere.
What local food have you tried? Did you like it?
I've tried, I've tried fried rice, satay. I love the name for it was rendang because it was so proper and our service.
What do you think about Indonesian people?
They are incredibly warm, friendly, welcoming. Everyone is been so helpful and always smile.
What's the most interesting or good unique thing about Indonesia?
The most unique thing is the diversity. There are so many different islands, lakes, and traditional outfits. It's fantastic.
Is there anything you can surprising or different?
I was surprised by how much traffic there is, especially the number of motorbikes. Also, the climate is much more humid and than back home.
What do you think about Indonesian culture and traditions?
I think they are beautiful and rich. I especially appreciate the importance of family and the respect to elders.
Do you have any advice for tourists visiting Indonesia for the first time?
I will advise them to be open to trying the street food and always carry small amounts of cash for local market.
What Indonesian words of phrases have you learned so far?
I know maybe terima kasih, selamat pagi, and enak.
Would you like to come back to Indonesia again? Why or why not?
Yes, why not? Definitely want to come back to explore other islands, dive sites, and mountains that I didn't have time to see this trip.
Thank you very much for your time. Have a great holiday.
Thank you too. See you next time.